Hey, I'm Jen Woodhouse, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how we install this one-piece toilet with a bidet seat. We've been hard at work remodeling our primary bathroom, and we're almost finished. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the full reveal. It's going to be so good. Big thanks to American Standard for sponsoring this video. We chose the American Standard Town Square S one-piece toilet with the Advanced Clean Electric SpaLet Bidet Seat. I'll leave all the links to the products in the description box below so you can check them out. When Adam and I lived in Japan, we got pretty spoiled with their toilets. It was common to have heated toilet seats and warm water to cleanse your unmentionables. It was so nice. Which is why I am super excited that we installed this bidet seat. It easily replaces your regular toilet seat as long as you have a power source near the toilet. We'll dive deeper into all the awesome features of this toilet and the bidet seat in just a bit, but first, let's get this thing installed. The first thing I did was clean off the old wax ring. It's so gross, wear gloves. You'll want the flange to be either flush with or proud of the flooring. Ours is, so we're good to go. But if yours isn't, you can pick up a toilet flange extender from the home improvement store and build up that flange so that it sits a bit higher. We've got these two flange bolts sticking up, and this is what's gonna secure the toilet to the floor. And then I just push these plastic collars down on the bolts, and that helps keep the bolts upright for when we go to set the toilet down. We're using an extra thick wax ring, and pro tip, you may want to pick up at least 2 of these just in case, because you really only get one chance to set the toilet, and if you mess that up, the wax ring can be compromised and that can lead to leaks. Don't ask me how I know, just save yourself the extra trip to the home store. The wax ring helps form a watertight seal around the bottom of the toilet and the waistline, and then it compresses down when you set the toilet. It's important to set the toilet straight down and not move it around so much, because then that wax ring can be compromised and lose that seal, and then you have problems. Then Adam came and set the toilet down, making sure to align the bolts with the holes in the bottom of the toilet. Because this toilet has a skirted base, there are actually these openings where we can reach in and tighten those bolts down, whereas a normal toilet will usually have the bolts exposed, which you can cover with a decorative cap. I chose this toilet because it's part of the Town Square S collection from American Standard, which is what we're using for the entire bathroom remodel. Not only does it look great, but because it has this skirted base, it'll be so much easier to keep clean. It's got these beautiful crown molding details that coordinate so well with the overall style of this bathroom. We chose the chair height toilet with an elongated bowl for extra comfort and ease. And it's also high efficiency, which helps conserve water, and it has this power wash rim that scrubs the bowl clean with every flush. All right, so now that we've got the toilet secured to the floor, it's time to install the bidet seat. This is the American Standard Advanced Clean Electric SpaLet Bidet Seat with remote control, and you're not going to believe how easy it is to install. It comes with this mounting kit and water supply hose. So here's how it all comes together. These black bushings go in the holes in the toilet, and I really had to press hard to get them in. And then the mounting plate goes on top of that. These little plastic pieces go next, and you can just place them in various slots so you can adjust the position up and down and left to right. Those pieces go in, and then the washers and then the screws follow. And then you just slide the bidet seat onto the mounting bracket just like that. First, make sure the water line is turned off, and then the shutoff valve to the toilet is turned to the off position. The bidet seat comes with a water supply hose, the junction fitting, and all the connections. You will need an extra water supply hose that will go from the shutoff valve to the junction fitting. The junction fitting is this T-connection thing that will screw onto the tank inlet, the water supply hose, and the bidet seat water supply hose. Connect the junction fitting to the tank, then connect the bidet water supply hose, attach the other end to the bidet seat. Now, these 2 little attachment clips go on both ends of the bidet seat hose. Make sure everything is screwed on tight, and then slowly turn the water back on. Check that nothing's leaking, and then plug the bidet seat into a nearby power outlet. The tank will start to fill up, and then you're good to go. You can either keep the remote control nearby or mount it on the wall. This bidet seat has self-cleaning dual nozzles for front and back cleansing, a warm air dryer, and a heated seat, my favorite. And there's a lot of adjustability. You can adjust the spray strength, the water, dryer, and seat temperature, as well as the direction of the spray nozzles. And it has this soft closing lid. So nice. That's it. That wasn't so hard, was it? You can totally do this. And I recommend that you do, because once you use a bidet seat, you will never want to go back to the way things were. Thanks so much for watching, and big thanks to our sponsor, American Standard. We'll be sharing the full reveal of this entire bathroom renovation in the next video, so stay tuned. You don't want to miss this incredible transformation.